Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to certify benefits for unemployment in New York. To ensure you receive your payments without delay, you'll need to complete a weekly certification. This process confirms your eligibility and reports any work or earnings you might have had during the week. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for maintaining your benefits. We'll walk through the easy method to get this done efficiently. The easiest way to certify is online through your NY.gov ID account. Once logged in, look for the section specifically for certifying your weekly benefits. You'll be asked a series of questions, including whether you were ready, willing, and able to work, and if you had any earnings. Be sure to answer truthfully to avoid any issues with your claim. It's important to certify on your assigned day, or at least within the designated week, to ensure timely processing of your benefits. If you worked any part-time hours, accurately report your gross earnings before taxes. Even small amounts can affect your benefit rate. Missing certifications can lead to delays or even a suspension of your payments, so consistency is key. If you encounter any problems while certifying or have questions about your claim, don't hesitate to contact the New York State Department of Labor directly. They can provide personalized assistance and clarify any specific situations. You can also find a wealth of information in the official claimant handbook. And for more great resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below for links and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you navigate your unemployment benefits smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.